Hi there, everyone. My name is Vince. I want to welcome you all to the channel. This is somewhat of a hard video for me to make. In a previous video, we did an unboxing, testing, and initial review of Flex's new amazing 24-volt cordless table saw. But in that video, a whole bunch of you were upset with me. You said that I set a bad example. I really want to say that from the bottom of my heart, I'm sorry that I affected you all in that manner. I have a solution and how I want to improve moving forward, and I'm going to tell you all about it right after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. You want to help out with the channel? Then head on over to the merch store. You get hats, hoodies, t-shirts. Link will be in the description below. Welcome back, everybody. Here's the deal. The saw is awesome. It's unbelievably powerful, and it's got an amazing rip capacity. It's got a huge cut capacity. It's got a whole bunch of features that I love. The best party trick of all is it will run on a cord. No more blowing through battery packs, life cycles, recharging, just to make rips, just to do your cutting. You're gonna set this table saw, it's a 10-incher, by the way, compact table saw, 10 inches. The brands just ain't making 10 inches anymore. Now, I know you're as excited as I am at this point, and this is how excited I was in the initial video. I was so excited that I got it out of the box, and instead of setting up a proper cutting platform, I just lost my mind. And I set a bad example by setting the table up on a cardboard box. And nothing happened that time, but a lot of you told me, Vince, this was scary. Vince, how do you sleep with yourself knowing you're setting a bad example for all the upcoming tradespeople? How do you live with yourself? I owe it to the young people, at the very least. I owe it to all of you. Make sure you watch this entire video to the end. We want to make sure that you're safe. You keep all your fingers. You don't end up in the emergency room. And how are we going to do that? With this. Look at it. I'm so excited about this. I've been waiting for this. This is Flex's quick attach. They're calling it a system. I call it a portable table saw stand. You can see here, it's got a 2-position height adjustment, okay, for people of different statures. That's terrific. It's compact, it's lightweight, it's designed. It's product number FT71, line FB10080001. Man, that's memorable. This is their compact table saw stand that's compatible with all of their 24-volt table saws. Let's get this thing unboxed, see what's in there, and see the ease of, setting it up. Using a good pocket knife to open up boxes is like just not showman. It doesn't have enough showmanship for some of you. I feel like I need to step it up. I need a machete, or I don't know, be the first dude to open up boxes with a weed whacker. I think maybe we should hold on to these pieces of paper just for a second. But we can get rid of that box. So it looks like we got some legs. This top position for this wing nut is set for the 8¼ inch table saw. We have to move it down to these lower holes. Flex has extended their lifetime service agreement, their founder's lifetime service agreement. They were going to do it for the initial launch for the first year, but they decided to extend that to the end of this year, which is 2024. All right. So we'll remove this bolt, or this wing nut, from both sides. All right, and then we want to duplicate and do the same thing on the other side. we have to align this back rail in this little space here, as well as the front rail in this space here, and then we'll latch them down. Boom, like that. That looks like this. More in that direction. Boom. And at the front, boom. I'm gonna tell you right now, I feel doggone secure. And if you like, when you have a stable platform to set your table saw up, when you're making cuts and you don't have to use a cardboard box anymore, then smash the like button. It's free for you to do. It doesn't cost you a dime. Plus, you'll get 7 years of good luck. Let us know down in the comment section below. Do you like what Flex is doing in the power tool space? I particularly like that they're creating accessories that work with their tools. You don't have to second guess. Will this stand work with my table saw? You buy a Flex table saw, now you can buy a Flex stand. With that, I want to say I appreciate you everyone for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. I hope to see you all on the next one.